From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your evening update.
All right, another quick reminder how to get Weather NorCal. You got YouTube, you got Roku, Amazon Fire Stick coming soon to Apple TV. You've also got the Apple and Android app. All of this is free of charge. Be sure to check it out. A lot of great source of information. You can get the latest forecast. You can check out the 24-hour streaming channel. And all the information that you need for your area in particular. Be sure to check out that neighborhoods section if you really want to pinpoint exactly where you are. Let's take a look at what's going on. A cooling trend will peak on Wednesday. Now, that's mainly for the inland areas in Trinity County. Of course, the coast really not feeling the impacts of that. Warmer by the end of the weekend into the weekend. Again, for the inland areas with a chance for showers, maybe some thunderstorms this weekend as well. Those chances are going to really depend on the exact placement of where that moisture is going to be. Timing and intensity still up in the air, if you will. Here's what it looks like for tonight. Temperatures upper 50s for both the coast and inland. By tomorrow, of course, it warms back up in the low 90s inland. And not to mention for Weaverville with a high of 92. A little bit warmer in Hayfork at 95 and 89 for high in Lewiston for your Tuesday. Taking a look at your temperature trend. Temperatures peaking as we drop on Wednesday, and then we'll start to see those temperatures go back up. This is the exact same trend we saw last week. It dropped in the middle of the week, went back up by the time we went into the weekend. The difference is once it goes back up, it'll probably stay up there for a while. Also, tracking some moisture that's making its way into Southern California by the end of this week. By the weekend, that moisture makes its way up in Northern California. This is where we're still trying to track where that moisture is going to be and where the potential for thunderstorms will be. At this point, it looks like for everyone in the higher elevations at least has that chance for now, including Del Norte and Humboldt counties. It looks like it backs off a little bit on Sunday, but it is including parts of Humboldt County, so we can't rule that out even going into your Sunday. All right, now we'll take a look at that visibility taking you to tomorrow morning. The fog returns, looking at some patchy, dense fog out there. Taking to the afternoon, looks like there will be some afternoon clearing for many of us for your Tuesday afternoon, and then it looks like more fog coming in Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon. Maybe a little bit more difficult to clear out, but there will be some patchy areas of some clearing. Now the wave heights, if you take a look at this, you can see they're actually going to go up as we go into tonight and early tomorrow morning before they drop again a little bit. This is not a massive increase and a massive drop, but still fairly high, around 7 to even upwards of 8 feet at points as well. Your marine forecast for your Tuesday, winds from the northwest at 5 to 15 knots, waves from the north at 6 feet at about 7 seconds, and there you can see that small craft advisory here in the forecast. All right, let's take a look at your forecast for tonight. Looks like temperatures in the upper 50s, mid to upper 50s here for the coast, and in the 60s for the inland areas. And tomorrow, yeah, not much of a difference in temperature between the inland areas and Trinity County, mainly in the low to maybe even some mid-90s, although some of the cooler spots, Trinity Center at 89, Ruth about 87, out in Garberville, a high of 83, and Shelter Cove topping out at 73 degrees for that daytime high. Looking at your 7-day forecast, again, these temperatures will drop for both Hoopa and Weaverville down to about 90. Temperatures slowly increase after that, up to about 100 degrees or higher, especially by Sunday and into Monday. Looking at your 7-day outlook for Eureka, temperatures in the mid-60s, maybe a little bit warmer. In fact, maybe in the upper 60s, maybe even some 68, 69 degree readings by Sunday into Monday of next week.